Hey there, video enthusiasts. Today we're going to turn your waste plastic into something amazing with these 4 awesome do-it-yourself projects from Waste Plastic. So let's dive in and get started. 1. Plastic bottle planters. First up, we have these fantastic plastic bottle planters. All you need are empty plastic bottles, some soil, and your favorite plants. Follow the step-by-step guide to create custom planters for your balcony, garden, or even inside your house. These are perfect for adding a touch of nature to your space and also help reduce plastic waste. 2. Reusable straw holder pouch. Next, we have this amazing reusable straw holder pouch. All you need are some plastic bags, scissors, and your favorite straws. Cut a large hole in the middle of the plastic bag, fold it in half, and then attach the straw to the bottom. This way, you'll never fumble with a straw again, and you'll be doing your part to reduce plastic pollution. 3. Storage bins. These do it yourself. Storage bins are perfect for organizing your home or workspace. All you need are some old plastic containers, paint, and your favorite design elements. Paint the containers in your favorite colors, add labels, and then use them to store your items. Not only are these bins great for organizing, but they're also beautiful and eco-friendly. 4. Plastic bottle crafts. Lastly, we have these fantastic plastic bottle crafts. All you need are some plastic bottles, paint, and your favorite crafting materials. Paint the bottles in your favorite colors, and then use them to create something like a planter, a decorative vase, or even a unique phone case. And there you have it, 4 awesome do-it-yourself projects from Waste Plastic. By creating these projects, you're not only reducing plastic waste, but you're also making a positive impact on the environment. So grab your plastic bottles, tools, and materials and get crafting. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing do-it-yourself projects. Happy crafting!